Today we're going to show you how to install Tekelek cellular tank monitors. We will show you how to test for cellular connectivity, measure, then install the tank monitor to receive readings. Before climbing on the tank, you should test the cellular connection. Select a spot near the tank that the monitor will be installed. Hold a magnet over the hot spot below the LED for around 5 seconds. When the magnet is initially held to the hot spot, the LED will first flash green, then flash red, then turn off. After 5 seconds of the magnet being held, the LED will illuminate red continuously. The monitor will beep once per second as it registers to the cellular network. This process takes 30 seconds. Upon successful activation, the LED will turn green and the monitor will double beep every 4 seconds. The monitor is now taking a level reading. If the LED does not turn green, activation is unsuccessful. Please contact TankScan Technical Support. Remove any equipment from the tank port to be used by the monitor. Now, measure the tank height from inside the bottom of the tank to the top of the tank port, as well as measure the liquid level. Make note of these measurements. Mounting the monitor. Position the monitor over the tank port and hand tighten until secure. Hold the magnet over the hot spot for about 5 seconds. Like before, you'll hear a beep once per second with the LED illuminating red while the monitor registers to the cellular network. Upon successful activation, the LED will turn green and the monitor will double beep every 4 seconds as it takes liquid level measurements and uploads the readings. This will confirm the liquid level measurement is correct on the platform, our web-based portal where you can set up, provision, and manage your assets and data. If you need assistance finishing the installation or confirming the tank level reading, please call TankScan Technical Support. TankScan, the power of data, optimized.